It's not just South Africa. So the question is, and we had a long debate with Minister Nyonsu, is to say, how do you help young people and people to enter into agriculture? Our problem is not dividing land. Our problem is to make sure that we have enough food for the region and for South Africa the next 5 and 10 years from now. And we can't do it with what we have. So we need to grow agriculture on the 2.5 million hectares. But how do you do it? And how do you help young people to venture into it? So the first thing is we're not special. And small-scale farmers in South Africa is not special because they can't enter. That's a worldly phenomenon. But how do we then overcome it? You see, now the talk is going to be different. It's not a political talk. There needs to be an outcome. The outcome is driven by food security. It's driven by this massive need regionally to feed nations. How do we play into that? And we can do that. So what do you do with the 2.5 million hectares? You don't just dish it out because it's not going to work. You're going to be a failure. Not because you are a failure, but because of the risk we deal with in agriculture. Now, how do you play into that? So when you say we're not special, we don't define between small and large. We define agriculture, of which small plays a major role. How do you then deal with that? And now the talk and the solutions are different than being driven by the ANC's policy. We need to have an agricultural policy.